can feel it coming, waves across the sea. Close my eyes as it crashes over. Tell me what it means. If we've only this night, will we divide or conquer? It only takes one light to drive through the darkness and prosper. Hold me close, I'm falling out of reach. I can hear the spirits calling me in my body. I must leave it. All my relations come to welcome me. Suddenly I have reached the surface and everything has changed. Clearer breath and a deeper focus, never look the same. If we've only this night, will we divide or conquer? It only takes one light to drive through the darkness and prosper. Hold me close, I'm falling out of reach. I can hear the spirits calling me in my body. I must leave. All my relations come to welcome me. And over the world, hope it hovers like a lighthouse lonely song. One day we will wake up in a league of lovers, and we'll fight against our wrongs. 'Cause if we were led here and our lives were faded, as if guided one by one, shall we meet again? Will our souls be mated after this burnt out sun? Oh, my love is an open window, falls from crown to feet, passing through like the ancient stories, only yours to keep. If we've only this night, will we divide or conquer? It only takes one light to drive through the darkness and prosper. Hold me close, I'm falling out of reach. I can hear the spirits calling me in my body. I must leave. All my relations come to welcome me. Yes, I'm falling.